Undo the screws on the back of the case. Remove the cover. Remove power connectors connected to the motherboard. Now remove the screws of the power supply at the back of the cabinet. Easily remove the power supply. Remove the SATA cable. Remove the memory module. Remove the screw that holds the card in place. Then remove the video card. Remove front panel connectors. Unscrew the hard disk drive. Unscrew the screws that holds the motherboard. So here's the motherboard with the processor built in, and the video card, random access memory or the RAM, and the hard disk drive. Also the SATA cable. So let's proceed to assembling the computer system. Motherboard is to be fixed vertically in the tower case, and the screws are fixed from behind of the motherboard. Tighten the motherboard with screws. Now, line up the power supply at the top back end of the cabinet and screw it. The power connectors for motherboard power supply are to be connected. Mount the memory module on that motherboard by aligning the RAM to its socket. Connect the front panel connectors to the motherboard. Here's the front panel USB port and the front panel audio port. Connect it. Install the video card to the PCIe expansion slot in the motherboard. Tighten with a screw. Place the hard disk drive on the disk tray. Tighten with a screw. Put the SATA power connector to the hard disk drive. Connect the SATA cable in the hard disk drive. Then to the motherboard. Cover the tower by placing it and pressing towards front side and screw it. Thanks for watching.